there! Today, we're going to learn 10 letter sounds. I'll make a letter sound. Listen carefully. 3 letters will appear. Which one makes that sound? Point to your answer. Then I'll show you if you got it right. Let's go! S. Listen to that sound. S. What sound was that? That's right. S says S. Like sand, sea, and sun. Mmm. Can you hear it? Mmm. What sound was that? Yes, M says mmm, like mango and moon and marshmallow. B. B. Listen. B. What sound was that? That's B. Like beach, bubbles, and boat. T. 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 Can you say it? T. What sound was that? T. That's T. Like turtle, tide, and towel. Like a pirate. What sound was that? That's R. Like rainbow, rock, reef. Wow, you made it halfway. You know 5 letter sounds. S, M, B, T, and You are amazing. 5 more sounds to go. Like blowing out a candle. What sound was that? That's F, like fish, fins, and flip-flops. D. D. Listen carefully. D. What sound was that? D. That's D, like dolphin and dig and dive. What sound was that? That's N, like nautilus, net, and nice. P. 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 Make a little pop. P. What sound was that? P. That's P, like pelican, palm tree, and popsicles. Breathe out. What sound was that? That's H, like hermit crab, hat, and high five. Wow, you learned 10 letter sounds today. S, M, B, T, F, D, M, P, and H. You are a superstar reader in the making. Remember to listen for those sounds everywhere, at the beach and beyond. See you